Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Come on. Okay. Walk over to Blake.
Over here. Over here.
Oh, it's impossible. There he goes. Oh. Stand up, Bo. Stand up. Oh, sorry. He's not going to do it for us.
And I want to take some
There he goes.
pictures.
Bye, Bo. Stand up. Come over to Mom. Come here. Come here.
I'm the best on a door.
Where are you going?
And there's a door.
Where are you going? Come here, Bo. Come on. Blake, watch out. There's Blake. Sorry, Blake.
He's a little bit funny. I'm gonna call you Mr. Yuli now. They're happy.